cake board with a tape rule. Yeah, we got 31.5, so you add half into whatsoever you'll be getting. That makes it 32 inches. Then your cake is going to be 10-inch long. You roll out your transparent sheet, then you measure 32-inch wide. Then you tick with your pencil. You take the line with your pencil, 32-inch wide. Then you measure 10-inch long. Then you tick with your pencil. You can also use a ruler when measuring. You can use a ruler or tape rule. So you tick with your pencil. Then you measure 10-inch long all through. Then you measure your 10-inch long. You measure all through your 10-inch long. You join together. Use your pencil. You join together. You join together. You join together. Then you cut with a scissors. Please be careful while cutting. Take your scissors, cut through the line, cut straight, make it neat. Don't make any mistake, don't let it bend. Cut gently